G'day guys, Elliot from JLM Lubricants Australia here. Since we recently released our GDI injector cleaner, we've had a lot of questions, which is always, why do I need this over a conventional injector cleaner? And when you take a closer look at the injectors themselves and the differences, the answer is pretty clear. This is a GDI fuel injector. The biggest difference over a conventional fuel injector is that it's got a longer mouth to inject fuel directly into the combustion chamber as opposed to the inlet ports. Being exposed to the combustion chamber means that more carbon builds up along the tip and down the throat of the injector. This will reduce efficiency and fuel economy. GDI injectors, as opposed to conventional fuel injectors, have a better fuel economy and a more complete and efficient combustion process. JLM GDI injector cleaner contains a high concentrate cleaning additive, which is patented. This gives you a more abrasive and efficient clean on the carbon that does build up on the outside and the inside of the injector mouth. This will increase fuel efficiency and fuel economy and help restore and maintain engine power. If you want to get your hands on some JLM GDI injector cleaner, conventional injector cleaner, or any other products in the JLM Lubricants range, visit www.jlmlubricants.com.au or find your nearest dealer.